Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for inquiring on this beautiful 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Follow me, let me show you some features. All right. This vehicle is equipped with LED wrapped headlamps, daytime running lights. Right this way. We have 14-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry on the doors, six-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Autoplay, heated seats, and you can get all of these features here at Tameron Hyundai. My name is Bell. You can reach me at 334-435-9366 here at Tameron. You'll love the way you treat it.